How to create WeChat account without Chinese number. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create WeChat account without Chinese number. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the WeChat app on your phone, and now here, once you're inside, just tap on the sign up button, which can be seen in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, just tap on sign up via mobile option, and after that, you'll be prompted to the sign up page. Now here, you can simply select your country code first from the drop-down menu. So here, simply select your country code first, and here, once you're done selecting the country code, you can simply enter your name at the top. So here, simply enter your name here, and once you're done with that, you can simply enter your phone number. And here, once you're done entering the phone number, you can set the password for your account, and after that, you can simply check the box right here and simply tap on accept and continue. And after that, on the next page, you simply have to check the circle, and after that, you can simply tap on next. And once you do that, on the next page, you need to start a verification. So here you can just tap on start. And after that, on the next page, you simply have to follow the quiz that it have given you. So here, simply do that, and once you're done with that, you can simply tap on OK and complete your verification. And once you do that, on the next page, before opening your account, it may ask you for security verification. So here you can either choose verify via the payment card or verify via the QR scanner by another users. So here you can simply tap on either option, and here you just have to verify yourself by entering your bank card account. And now here, once verified, your account will be ready. And that's it. That's how you can create WeChat account without Chinese number. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.